Hi everyone, in this quick and easy Shopify tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue where your Shopify product has inventory but still shows as sold out. As you can see here, even though the product has inventory available, Shopify still displays it as sold out. So how can you solve this problem easily? Don't worry, I'll be walking you through a few effective methods to fix this Shopify inventory issue step by step. Method 1. 6. Product has inventory but shows sold out via market settings. The first thing you need to do is log into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on Products in the left sidebar. This will display a list of all the products that you have on your Shopify store. Now, click on the specific product where you're facing the sold out issue. If you are selling or shipping internationally, this problem might occur when your inventory is not available in the international market. For example, if your stock exists only in your home country, here's how to fix that. Inside your product page, scroll down to the publishing section. Click on the three little dots and then click on Manage Markets. Here you'll see different market regions. If the product is out of stock in the international market, simply deselect the international market. This will ensure that your product only appears available in your primary market, which is usually your home country. This is a very common Shopify international shipping error, and disabling markets where inventory doesn't exist often solves the product shows sold out problem immediately. Method 2. Fix the Shopify inventory problem for products with variants. Now let's move on to the second fix. If your Shopify product has multiple variants, for example, different sizes, colors, or styles, this issue might happen if the quantity tracking is not enabled for your variants. Here's how to fix it. Go to your product page again and under Variants, select all the product variants. Now click on the three dots next to Bulk Edit and choose Edit Quantity. If you see a message that says something like, "Inventory can't be edited at this location because no variants have quantity tracking turned on," this is exactly what's causing your problem. To fix it properly, click on each variant one by one. Enable the option Track Quantity. Also, check the box Continue Selling when out of stock if you want to allow pre-orders or back orders. Now, increase the available quantity manually. For example, set it to 2 or 3. Click Save Changes after updating. You'll need to repeat this for every variant that you have. For example, if you have 14 product variants like I do in this example, you'll need to enable quantity tracking and adjust the available stock for each one individually. Also, make sure you're assigning the right inventory location. When you scroll down, you'll see where it says inventory will be stocked at. Choose the correct location name or app that manages your inventory. Doing this ensures that Shopify knows where your actual stock is, and your products will no longer display as sold out incorrectly. Method 3. Fix sold out inventory using Shopify location settings. Now, if your products are still showing as sold out, the next thing you should check is your Shopify location settings. Here's what to do. Go to Settings in the bottom left corner of your Shopify dashboard. Click on Locations. Here, you can see or add all your inventory locations. If you have inventory stored in multiple warehouses, offices, or physical stores, you need to make sure that Shopify knows where the stock is. Click on Add Location and then enter the location name, address, zip code, etc. Once done, make sure to check the box that says Fulfill online orders from this location. If you already have multiple locations, click on each location and make sure that this box is checked for the one that actually holds your stock. This step is important because if Shopify doesn't know which location to pull inventory from, it can still show the product as sold out even when you have stock. You can also click on View Inventory under each location to see and adjust your available quantity. In my case, I've added 2 product variants and I've updated the quantity, one with 2 units and another with 3 units. By assigning the correct quantity and making sure the tracking is turned on for each variant, you can solve the Shopify product sold out bug easily. Method 4. Recheck variant level inventory tracking. If you only have one product, not multiple variants, the steps are very similar. Just open that product, enable Track Quantity, and increase the available quantity from 0 to the correct number. You can also check the option Continue Selling when out of stock. if you want your customers to be able to purchase even when inventory is temporarily unavailable. Once done, click Save and refresh your storefront page. Now your product should show up as in stock instead of sold out. Verify the fix. After applying these changes, go back to your Shopify storefront and refresh the product page. In most cases, the product will now appear as available, and your Shopify inventory sync issue should be resolved. If it still shows as sold out, double-check that quantity tracking is turned on for all variants. Ensure that the inventory is properly assigned to the correct fulfillment location. Make sure that your product is published to the correct markets and channels, e.g., online store, international store, etc. And that's it. That's how to fix the Shopify product has inventory but shows sold out issue. Thanks for watching.